Hi, in this video we will discuss about the Azure and the Power BI. Azure SQL Database and the Power BI. Azure SQL Database is basically the database, while Power BI is used to create reports to monitor the progress of your business. Using the Power BI desktop, you can create reports that identify the trends and the performance indicators that move towards your business. Here you can see in the image that how the SQL databases convert into the Power BI, and Power BI convert this raw data into a report. Next is that the transform shape and merge your cloud data into the report. With the Power BI desktop and the Azure services, connections are just a tab that from where how you can get the data. While seeing in the image that here is the dialog box appear in the Power BI desktop, and you can select the Azure to fetch your data and then convert it into the report. Why we are using the Power BI for the report? Because the Azure services provide the data, cloud form data in a very multiple data sources processing. Here you can see in the image that in the multiple ways you can access your data. But in Power BI, when there is multiple resource ways convert into a single resource way, then it will become easier for or the to understand your business, and then it convert into your Power BI report. Thank you.